The history of Spain is rich and diverse, spanning thousands of years. Here's a brief overview. 1. Prehistory in ancient times. The Iberian Peninsula, where Spain is located, has been inhabited since prehistoric times. Various civilizations, such as the Celts, Phoenicians, Greeks, and Carthaginians, settled in the region. The most significant were the Romans, who conquered the peninsula in the 3rd century BCE and established Hispania as a Roman province. 2. Visigothic Spain. With the decline of the Roman Empire, the Germanic tribe of the Visigoths established a kingdom in Hispania in the 5th century CE. This period saw the blending of Roman and Visigothic cultures. 3. Islamic rule. In 711 CE, Islamic Moors from North Africa invaded Spain and quickly conquered most of the peninsula, introducing Islam and creating the Andalusian civilization. This era, known as Al-Andalus, lasted for several centuries and saw significant advancements in science, art, and architecture. 5. The Spanish Empire. The late 15th and early 16th centuries marked the beginning of Spain's golden age. Spain became a global superpower with vast overseas territories in the Americas, Asia, Africa, and the Pacific. This period saw the exploration and colonization of new lands, as well as the influx of wealth from the New World. 5. The Spanish Empire. The late 15th and early 16th centuries marked the beginning of Spain's golden age. Spain became a global superpower with vast overseas territories in the Americas, Asia, Africa, and the Pacific. This period saw the exploration and colonization of new lands, as well as the influx of wealth from the New World. 6. The Spanish Inquisition. Established in 1478, the Spanish Inquisition was a tool of religious and political control, aimed at enforcing Catholic orthodoxy and rooting out heresy, particularly among converted Jews and Muslims. It had a significant impact on Spanish society for centuries. 7. The Habsburg and Bourbon dynasties. Spain saw the rise and fall of several powerful dynasties, including the Habsburgs and the Bourbons. The War of Spanish Succession, 1701–1714, resulted in the Bourbon dynasty ascending to the Spanish throne and the establishment of the modern Spanish state. 8. The Napoleonic Wars and Independence Movements. In the early 19th century, Spain was occupied by Napoleon's forces during the Peninsular War. This period of turmoil sparked independence movements in Spanish colonies in the Americas, leading to their eventual independence. 9. 19th and 20th centuries, Spain experienced political instability, including civil wars, revolutions, and dictatorships, throughout the 19th and 20th centuries. The Spanish Civil War, 1936–1939, resulted in the rise of General Francisco Franco's authoritarian regime, which lasted until his death in 1975. 10. Modern Spain. Following Franco's death, Spain transitioned to a constitutional monarchy and democracy. It joined the European Union in 1986 and has since experienced significant economic and social development. However, it still grapples with regional tensions, particularly in Catalonia and the Basque Country. Friends, I am Khairul Islam Badol. I am recharge on Google Art Studio and 4K high-resolution video. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like then subscribe. You can see new videos like this every day.